Now let's start with Lesson 1, the vertical stroke. This lesson card contains 4 different exercises, and it's going to use the same basic brush stroke that we'll see in the following lesson cards. So we'll go over that first. You'll want to load your paintbrush with watercolor. Then you're going to take the tip and you're going to place it directly where the 4 lines meet, and you're going to gently push the bristles down, keeping your brush vertical, and then pulling it up in the center of your brush stroke. Since I'm left-handed, I tilt my page, and I also work from right to left. If you're right-handed, you'll be working from left to right. Just make sure that your page is in a comfortable position, what's best for you. Now we'll continue down the line, placing a vertical brush stroke on every vertical line. Once you've placed those brush strokes on those lines, you're going to add a brush stroke in the middle of each, just using your eye to gauge the center. Like so. You'll want to do this exercise 2 or 3 more times. Now we'll move on to exercise 2. We're going to use the same stroke again. This time we're going to turn our paper upside down or 180 degrees, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to put that basic brush stroke on every vertical line. And then we'll finish by placing another brush stroke once your line is complete in between each of the existing brush strokes, centering it as closely as possible. So you see, when you turn your paper back right side up, your brush strokes are upside down. Now we're going to move on to the third exercise, which combines the first exercise with the second exercise. Once you've completed your row, you're going to turn the page upside down, and you're going to carefully have your points meet on your second row. And we'll turn our page upside down, and we'll try to have our points meet. Like so. Once you've completed a row of this third exercise, we're going to move on to the fourth exercise, original design. And this is where you get to combine the strokes that you've already learned into an original design of your own thinking. You might imagine that you're decorating a book cover or the top of a box.